So, you've purchased a domain through Bluehost and want to connect it to your Shopify store. Well, you're in luck because I'm here to guide you through the entire process step by step. So if you're ready, let's get started. Sign into your Shopify account. Go to Settings in your Shopify dashboard, located at the bottom left corner. Select Domains. Click on Connect Existing Domain. Enter your Bluehost domain name and click Next. This page will open. Now log into your Bluehost account. Click on Domains in your Bluehost dashboard. Next to your domain, click the Manage button. Go to the DNS tab, where all your DNS records will be displayed. If you've previously connected the domain to another host, ensure that you remove the A and C name records associated with that host. Here, select the type as a record and click Add Record. For the host, type @ For the value, use this IP address. Leave TTL on default and click Save. Now select the type as CNAME record and click Add Record. For the host, type www. For the value, type shops.myshopify.com. Leave TTL on default and click Save. Return to Shopify and click Verify Connection. Be patient, as this process may take some time. After a few hours, click Verify Connection again. Once verified, click on your domain name. Select Change Domain Type. Choose Primary Domain and click Change Domain Type. Congratulations! You've successfully connected your Bluehost domain to Shopify. Your Shopify store now has a custom web address. If you encounter any issues during the process, please get in touch with me for assistance. If you need any help related to Shopify, you can hire a Shopify expert now. The link is in the description below this video. Please comment below with your opinion, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials to boost your online knowledge.